everyone. This video is a little something different. This past week, Florida and several other surrounding states experienced devastation from Hurricane Ian. I've been trying to show you in some little short videos of the things that's been happening here. Where we were here in Flagler Beach, Florida, it was minor damage. But Fort Myers, Sandoval Island, and so many more down there were destroyed. I'd like everybody to take the time to say a prayer for those search and rescue people digging through rubble and layers of stuff, trying to see if they can find anybody, see if everybody's okay. There's a lot of stories coming out from that area. Very devastating stories. But also you hear the stories of people coming together, helping each other. Or if it's just to give a person a shoulder to lean on. I want to take the time to thank the firefighters, the police, EMT, search and rescue, and those wonderful linemen that came from all over the United States to help. And so many more. Volunteers and different ones came out to help Florida and surrounding areas that were devastated with Hurricane Ian. We were very fortunate. It was a scary experience. We never experienced a hurricane before, ever. We've experienced tornadoes and blizzards, but never a hurricane. So just take the time to say a prayer for all these people affected. I'll see y'all down the road. Thank you.